Hi, buddy. Welcome to Answers Q. Cisco is hiring interns for two different roles. One is software engineer, and the other one is consulting engineer. So, Cisco is hiring for these two internship roles. We'll see more details regarding these internships at Cisco, and we'll also see how to apply for these internships. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. So now let's see the details regarding these internships at Cisco. So the first one is a software engineer intern role. So the location for this internship is given as Bangalore in India, and this is going to be a full-time internship. So which means if you are going to apply for this internship, make sure that you are going to be available for the entire duration. It might be 1 month, it might be 6 months. Only Cisco knows that. That will be informed only after you get selected. So first, here they have given what you'll do as a software engineer intern at Cisco. Let's see what other things are given here. So you will have to use engineering principles and techniques to design, develop, and test different business software applications. And then you also have to do something to improve those applications. And then you have to develop software and tools in support of design infrastructure and technology platforms. And you will also have to build high performance, horizontally scalable, low latency service using the latest technologies and handle information at massive scale. So all these are the responsibilities for you as a software engineer at Cisco. Do not worry about these things. You will get complete guidance from the people at Cisco. So you do not have to worry about these things. And here they have given some requirements. So if you are good at problem solving, if you are good at working efficiently as a part of a team, and if you are proficient in programming languages like JavaScript, C++, Python, and if you know about database technologies like Oracle, and if you have hands-on experience in big data tools like Hadoop, and if you are proficient in cloud connector and container technologies like Kubernetes, Azure, AWS, and if you are familiar with business ERP applications such as Salesforce, Oracle, and SAP, and if you have a good programming background in object-oriented development and design patterns, then you will have better chance of getting this software engineer internship at Cisco. Because so if you know about these things, it's well and good. Just go ahead and apply to this internship. If you do not know about these things like programming language, database, and all other stuff, do not worry about it. You can always learn it. Just note down these requirements and write it down and develop your skills in these areas. Maybe you can apply to the future internships at Cisco, no problem. And here is the eligibility criteria. So you should be pursuing a master's or bachelor's degree, engineering degree in computer science or information science, and your CGPA should be 8 out of 10, and the requirement is for 2022 pass out only, and you should possess excellent written and verbal communication skill, and you should be fluent in English. So all these are the eligibility criteria for you. So just take a look at your profile and see if you're a good fit to this software engineer intern role at Cisco. If you feel you are comfortable, just go ahead and apply to this internship role. Maybe you can get it at Cisco. So let's move on to the next one now, which is consulting engineer intern role. So Cisco is hiring for two different roles, as I said. One is software engineer and the other one is consulting engineer. So the location for this internship is also Bangalore in India. And this is also a full-time internship. So make sure you are available for the entire duration if you are applying for this internships at Cisco. And here they have given what you'll do as a consulting engineer intern. So you'll have to develop complex designs, implement Cisco leading edge technologies worldwide, and you'll have to provide optimization services. You'll have to consult to solve problems. You'll have to review network requirements and propose designs. You will have to build and maintain relationships with customers. So this is what you'll do as a consulting engineer intern at Cisco. And here is the eligibility criteria. So here they have given two things. At one point they have given the requirement is for 2022 pass out only, and here in the first point they have given recent graduate or on your final year of studies towards bachelor's or master's degree in any technical field such as networking, computer science, information technology, electrical, computer engineering, or similar field. So even if you are a pass out, if you are a recent graduate, apply for this internship, maybe you can get it. So anyways, just try it out. If you have the right skills, Cisco might recruit you even if you are a graduate. And the minimum CGPA required is 8.5 out of 10, and you should be fluent in English. So it's obvious if you're going to work at a company like Cisco, you should be very good at English, you should be very good at communication, and you should be passionate about networking, information technology, or computer science, and you should have strong analytical and problem solving skills, and you should have the ability to multitask, self-taught, and work in a fast-paced environment. So this is the eligibility criteria for you guys to apply for this consulting engineer intern at Cisco. So these two are the internships available for you at Cisco now, software engineer and consulting engineer. Let's see how to apply for these internships. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. Before we see how to apply for those internships, I just want to tell you about Coursera platform, in which you can learn whatever you want. They have courses for data science, business, computer science, information technology, language. So basically you can learn whatever you want in Coursera platform. And the best thing about Coursera is all their courses are offered by top companies like Google, IBM, Amazon, and top universities like Duke University, Stanford University. So the content will be very good in Coursera. If you want to learn anything, just try out Coursera platform. You can just choose their monthly plan offer. You can learn whatever you want in that 1 month. You can save a lot of money and you can get unlimited certificates. So I'll just show you how you can save money. Here it is. So if you take any individual program in Coursera, it will cost you somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with the monthly plan, you just have to pay 4,315. And with that, you will get access to the entire Coursera platform. You can learn whatever you want. You want to learn a programming language, you can do it. You want to learn about Oracle database, anything, you can just learn it. And apart from the courses, you will also get access to the guided project specializations and professional certifications, and you can earn unlimited certificates in that 1 month. And most importantly, you can develop job relevant skills. So that is the most important part. We saw a lot of requirements here in software engineer intern. A lot of requirements like proficiency in C++, Python, Node.js, proficiency in Kubernetes, container technologies. So you can learn all those things using Coursera monthly plan offer. And there are more than 15 professional certifications also available in Coursera. It's offered by companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, IBM. So you will get access to these professional certifications as well. So make use of it. If you want to learn anything, try out Coursera platform. I'm sure you will like the content. So if you want to support me in any way, you can just use my link in description and take this Coursera monthly plan offer. And you can develop your skills. You can get unlimited certificates as well. So I hope you'll find this useful. Let's get back to the content of this video. So these two are the internships, as I said, consulting engineer and software engineer. So Cisco will be inviting only a limited number of applications for these internships. So if you are interested, apply as early as possible. They will be inviting only a limited number of applications. So if I apply, it might be like I'm taking someone else's place. So what I'll do is, a few days back I applied for field sales engineer internship at Cisco. I'll show you that registration process. So now let's see how to apply for this internship, field sales engineer intern in Cisco. So just click on this apply button given here at the right top, and then you'll be landing on this page. So to apply for this field sales engineer intern in Cisco, first we need an account in this Cisco careers website. So if you already have account, you can just give your login credentials and log into your account, or else if you're coming here for the first time, just give your mail address here and then click on this register now button. And now you have to upload your resume first. So you can upload it directly from your computer, or else you can import it from your LinkedIn profile or Google Drive or Dropbox, whatever you have. Just upload your resume and then click on this next button given here. So after uploading your resume, you have to give your application details here for this field sales engineer intern role in Cisco. So here you have to give your details like your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and then you have to give your address, and then you have to select your area of interest. You have to give your education details like in which university you did your degree program and what majors you did, and you have to fill in few details here, and then you can give your skills and technologies, and then you have to set a password for your account. It is given here, set a password, and then you have to select your area of interest again. And once you are done with giving all these details, you can just click on this agree and continue. And then you have to do your voluntary self-identification here. You just need to select your gender and then click on this continue button. And then you will be moving on to the fourth and final submission stage. So what you have to do is just click on the submit button to complete the application process. So that's it. Now we have successfully applied for this field sales engineer intern in Cisco. And once you submit your application, you will also get a mail like this from Cisco Recruiting. You have applied to Cisco job field sales engineer intern. So this is like a confirmation email. So now you saw how I applied to the field sales engineer internship at Cisco. The process is same for these two internships as well. Software engineer internship and consulting engineer internship. Just follow the same process and apply to these internships. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about internships, free courses, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.